How to enable or disable show complication data on wrist down on the Apple Watch 9. First, press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. Then press on the crown button again to go into the home screen. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Next, we scroll down and then tap on always on. Then tap on show complication data. In here, tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on show complication data. Now you can scroll down to the apps section and you can select each of the apps to show or hide the data. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or press on the crown button to return back to the clock face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.